Hello friends, this is Jibesh. I welcome you back to my channel Bioprofessional. Here I am going to make the second video of the series where I am discussing the questions and answers. In this video also, I am going to discuss 10 questions. So if you ask me again that based on which criteria I have selected 10 questions, for that I don't have any answer because randomly I have chosen the 10 questions. And you know that examination date was 14 February 2021. Okay. Now, the first question is the following table gives the percentage of marks obtained by 5 students in how many students? There are 5 students in 3 different subjects in an examination. Study the table and answer the questions based on it. The numbers within brackets give the total marks. Okay, brackets gives the total mark. Okay, so this in the bracket gives the total marks. Okay, there are 3 subjects: English, mathematics and general studies. There are 5 students. Okay, and remember this point that this is giving the percentage, not the marks. Let's see the first question. The first question is that this uh, what is the aggregate of marks? Aggregate means the total number of marks obtained by T in all the 3 subjects. So this is T here, and there are how many subjects? English, then mathematics and general studies. Okay, so you have to calculate the 80% because this is percentage and total marks is 150. So 80% of 150, 80% of 150, just multiply with 150. So this 0 cancelled, this 0 cancelled, it remains 15 into 8. So 15 into 8 is 120. So I'm giving you one trick how to calculate very fast. So 80% means 0.8 into total marks is 150. Total marks is 150. Okay, do one thing. You just displace this decimal to this side. Okay, so if you displace this decimal to this side means you are multiplying by 10. Okay, right? And you just keep one decimal here, so it becomes 8 into 15. Got this trick? So it becomes easily 120. Means you are dividing this with 10, you are multiplying this with you are multiplying this with 10. Okay, meaning the same thing. So it becomes 8 and it becomes 15, so 120. Clear? So 80% of 150 is 120. Let me write because I have to calculate the aggregate marks 120. Now 100% of 120, 100% of 120 is again 120. There's no doubt. And this is 40% of 100. 40% of 100 is basically the 40. Okay, now you calculate 0, 6, 8 and 2. So 280 is the right answer. So option C is the correct. Next, what is the overall percentage of Y? Overall percentage. So you have to just add this value and divide by 3 because here this is the percentage. So the answer will be like 90 plus 80 plus 70. So you calculate 0, it becomes like 15, then 24 means 240. 240. Now you have to divide 240 by 3. You divide, it becomes 80. So 80 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct. Okay. Next, the number of students who have obtained 60% or above in all the subjects, 60%. So it is very easy to calculate because everything is given in percentage. So number of students who got 60%. So this is 90%. It is 90%. It is 60 or 60%. So this will also be calculated. Okay. Next, this is 80%. This is 40, but this is 40%. It will not be calculated. Here this is 60, 100, 50 will not be calculated. Here it is 90, 80, 70 will be calculated. 80, 70 and 80. So there are how many students who got 60% or above? Is a 3. So option B is the correct. Next, average marks obtained in English by the 5 students is. So you have to see this thing, average marks, because this is the percentage. You have to calculate the, you know, the marks. So 90% of 150, again 90%, you just multiply 9 into 15, it becomes 135. Clear? Then 80%, 80% of 150, 8 into 15 will be again 120. Then again 60% of 150 will be 6 into 15 is 90. Then again 90% of 150 is 9 into 15 will be 135, and 80% 8 into 15 is equal to what? 120. So you just add it, 5501 to 5 14 16 20 20. This becomes, let me just count, 5, then this is 5 14 17 19, and this 20, 0 2 3 4 5 6, so it becomes 600. So 600 is a total number, but I have to calculate the average. Remember, average I have to calculate. So if I want to calculate 600 average, 600 divided by how many students? There are 5. So it becomes um, 600 means it becomes like 120, right? This is 5 12 is 60, so 120. So 120 is the correct answer. Let's move on to next question. Is how many students have secured more than 100 marks in mathematics? So this is marks, more than 100 marks. So mathematics, you have to select this column. Okay, mathematics. So this is 90%. So 90% 120. So you just simply do 9 into 12. 9 into 12 is 108. So this is more than 100. So okay, and 100 of 120, it becomes 120. 100 of 120, it also become 120. Then I'm writing here, okay, it becomes 108. Here it is 120, it is 120. 12 into 8 is 96, and 7 into 12 is 84. Okay, so it will not be calculated because it is not more than 100. So 3, 1 2 3, so 3 is the answer. Clear? Okay, next, match each item of least one with okay, I have to match. So the first name is Sundarlal Bahuguna. So actually he is an Indian environmentalist. Okay, he is the leader of Chipko movement. He is the leader of which movement? Chipko movement. So I am marking this, the Chipko movement. Actually, the Chipko movement was started in the year around 1973 to 1974. Okay, and it was started in Uttar Pradesh. Where I'm just giving you a brief, introduction. Uttar Pradesh. Clear? And actually this movement is for saving of trees, saving of trees, because there are many people who were called at that time the you know forest contractors. They were cutting the trees. Okay, chipko, what do you mean by this meaning? Chipko, chipko, the literal meaning is to hug. The meaning of chipko is hug. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, they are Hindi speaking people, so chipko means hug. And actually people started hugging and holding onto trees when it was being cut. Okay, so basically this is movement to save the trees. Okay, next name is Murlidhar Devidas MT. So this is also known as, okay, Baba MT. This man is also known as Baba MT. BA Baba MT. Again, this name is related to leprosy because he has done wonderful job on leprosy, because uh, this is a disease caused by leprosy. I'm giving just brief introduction because unless it will take a huge lot of time. So leprosy is a bacterial infection caused by mycobacterium myco mycobacterium lepri, mycobacterium lepri. Okay, mycobacterium lepri, and it causes like it affects the skin, respiratory tract, and the lining of nose. It can also affect the nervous system. It can also affect. Okay, so Murlidhar Devidas Amte. Okay, this is related to leprosy. Okay, next is Amrita Devi. Amrita Devi, actually, this name is related to Khejri tea. So this is also a kind of saving the tree, and she along with her three daughter sacrificed life due to this movement. And I can say, and this is the beginning of the this chipko movement, because that time they didn't give the name, but the main motto of this movement is also to save the trees, and specifically this tree. That's why this name is related to Hejri tree. Okay, next is Varghese Kuri. Varghese Kuri, he is known as the father of white revolution. He is known as the father of white revolution because he made dairy farming India's largest self-sustaining industry. Okay, so and this is related to white revolution. So answer is with 4. Okay, so Sundarlal Bahuguna is Chipko movement, 1 with 4, and then Murlidhar Devidas Amti's leprosy means 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Okay, so you have, okay, so answer will be the B. And 3 2, let me just check. 3 2 and 4 is what? 8. So this is the answer. So B is the correct answer. Okay, next, which one of the following is an ISRO? ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, so satellite which can also be used for defense purpose. AstroSat, it enables the simultaneous multi-wavelength observations of various astronomical objects with a single satellite. So this is not related to defense purpose. INSAT, INSAT means Indian National Satellite System. Okay, so this is first dedicated military communication satellite. So this is related to defense, I can say, because I need to find just the which satellite is related to defense system. So actually main user of this satellite is Indian Navy. So I'm writing it Indian Navy. Clear? Okay, next, OceanSat. OceanSat is it is for remote sensing purpose. It's for remote sensing. If you do not know what is remote sensing, if you have interest, you can also check what is that. Okay, next is RESAT. Okay, a RESAT has also you know a role for defense. So for me, this may be the probable answer because it has also role in inset, but reset can also be applied for defense purpose. Let's say if inset is using, like, let's say 80% of the cases it is being used for defense purpose. If it is used for 20% also, but this can also be the answer. But now it's depend on the SLET commission which they give the correct option. So most probable they will give this answer inset. Okay, so this is Indian National Satellite System. Okay, now let's move on to next question is veld. What is veld? So this is a grassland in southern Africa. So this is a grassland in southern Africa. Southern Africa. It's a grassland. Veld is grassland. So this is 4. I'm writing here so that I'll be easy to, it will be easy to find later on. So next, Banjara. Let's say you do not know this thing. Baikho. Baikho is a festival. Okay, Baikho is a, okay, sorry, I'm writing here. Okay, so this is festival means this thing. This is festival. So this festival is is a culture of Rabha community. Is a Rabha community from Assam. Okay, so this is a festival. Next is Jabwo. Jabwo is a mountain. It's a mountain in Nagaland. Okay, mountain in Nagaland. So it's a mountain in Laganet, so it can be related to peak. Okay, so Baiko is 2, right? 2, and Jabbo is what? 3. 3. Then Reisina is a hill. You have to know this thing. If you do not know what is Reisina, then you cannot answer. And lignite is a is a type of coal. Is a type of coal, and this is known as brown coal also. So this is a type of coal. So 1 with 4 means A, 4. You have two option. Then a Baiko means C2. C2. Okay. If you know what is Baiko is a festival, then probably you can find the answer easily, because C2 is the only one option. So option C is the correct. Okay. Next, if the price of petrol, okay, if the price of petrol increases by 10% and then decreases by 10%, what is the net change in the price of petrol? Okay, so let's solve this problem. So let's say the first price be, let's say the first price be 100. So this is the first price, initial price. I'm writing it, initial price, initial price. Okay, so 100. So if you increase 10%, 10% of 100 is again 10. So the new price becomes 100, 100 plus 10. So it becomes what? It becomes 110. So it becomes a new price, new price, new price. Okay. Now, if you decrease the 10% by this value, so what is the 10% of 110? 10% of 110, let me calculate. So if you delete this 0 and this 0, it remains 11. So the 10% of 10% of 110 is 11. Okay, so if you subtract 110, because you have to decrease 110 from 11, it is 99. So if you see the difference of this initial price, it was 100, now it is 99. So 99 means it is loss of rupees 1, loss of rupees 1, and rupees 1 means 1%, 1% loss, right? So the answer is option B, that is 1% decrease. Clear? Okay, next, if rose is coded as 6821, so okay, this is if you solve earlier this type of question, then in a fraction of second you can guess. Okay, this is R, so I'm writing rose, ROSE. They have given, right, rose for 6821. Clear? Next, chair, CHAI. R is again repeated here. Okay, so let's see. Chair is, C is for 7, H is 3, A is 4, A is 4, I is 5. So if you're thinking how I'm writing, R is 6, see, R is 6, first and first. O is 8. Clear? Then S is 2 and E is 1. So likewise I am calculating here. C is 7. Clear? H is 3. A is likewise I am calculating. Okay, so as R is again 6, and you know that R is also 6, so I'm not writing this thing. Now preach is coded, preach. So P, it is not written now till now. P is what? 9. Okay, so let me check now. R is again 6. Okay, it is there. E is 1, it is also there. Okay, A is 4, it is there. Then C is 7, it is there. And H is 3, it is also there, right? So okay, now what will be the code for search? So S is 2, right? This S is 2. E is 1, so I'm writing 1. Then A is what? A is 4, so 4. Then R R is 6. So I'm writing 6 here. Then C is 7, and H is 3. So search means 214673. So option C is the correct, 214673. Okay. So these are the 10 questions. If you like my way of explanation, please give a like, hit, and subscribe to my channel, and share this channel link with your friends, so that your friends can also check their options, whoever they have chosen. Thank you very much for watching this video.